Imagine visiting a quiet, everyday village, and everywhere you look, you see doubles, pairs of identical people going about their regular lives. Twin children, twin adults, entire families. This repetition spans across generations and neighborhoods. You might look for a reason in the local water supply, environmental factors, or hidden genetics, because in this one village in India, the twin birth rate is a massive statistical anomaly that modern biology cannot yet decode. This is Kerala, India. From the outside, the landscape is lush and seemingly unremarkable. The people of Kodinhi go about their days just like anyone else in the region, farming the fields and tending to their families. Around the world, twin births occur at a relatively predictable mathematical baseline. This chart shows that standard global average compared to the reported data in Kodinhi. The local rate here drastically shatters this global baseline. Seeing this density of identical siblings in the local schools is what forced researchers to take notice. The central problem is figuring out why a universal biological norm would suddenly break down in one isolated spot. To solve this, researchers isolate and test the standard variables that lead to twins. They start with maternal age, since older mothers have a higher statistical chance of conceiving multiples. But the data in Kodinhi spans all age ranges uniformly, effectively ruling out age as the cause. They then turn to localized environmental influences and unique dietary habits. Investigations into the village water sources and regional diet have failed to find any unique localized trigger. This diagram illustrates population genetics. It maps how traits pass through an isolated community, making it the most likely remaining culprit. A genetic mutation favoring twin births could theoretically concentrate and multiply within a closed, localized community like this. Yet, despite the profound strength of this underlying theory, no single specific genetic marker has been universally proven here. After applying the full weight of modern reproductive science, Kodinhi remains an uncrackable biological blind spot. While this anomaly is extremely rare, Kodinhi is not the only geographic cluster of its kind on Earth. A handful of other extreme demographic outliers exist, scattered across different continents in isolated pockets. Geneticists seek out these rare clusters because they provide data that clinical environments cannot replicate. A localized anomaly acts as a magnifying glass, revealing the hidden microscopic mechanics of human variation. When standard predictive models fail, these extreme communities force scientists to rewrite their assumptions. These global outliers act as natural laboratories, testing the very edges of human biological variation. There is a sharp contrast between the unresolved findings of the scientific community and the intimate, lived reality of the village residents. Over time, this unresolved anomaly has been integrated into the community's local identity and daily folklore. The residents embrace their unique demographic makeup with a sense of pride and normalcy. For the people actually living in Kodinhi, the biological enigma is simply the fabric of their everyday lives. The basic rules of biology often appear to be completely predictable, right up until the precise moment that it entirely defies our scientific expectations. Places like Kodinhi stand as a reminder of the vast territory that remains uncharted within human genetics. The most staggering scientific mysteries are often hidden quietly within ordinary human lives. If you found this pattern intriguing, like this video and share it, and subscribe to Untold Indian Stories for more explorations into unresolved cultural and scientific enigmas.